You think they want a cookie?
Ava's coming in. Cody's gonna pick you up. Going up all the way? Ready, so Ava, guess what? That owl flew right here. Right next to my head.
The owl was right